we know that there are 8 major planets around the Sun. But before August 2006, there were 9 major planets around the Sun. Pluto was also considered a planet before August 2016. But why is it not considered a planet now? But before that, we must see what are the criteria of a planet. What are the criteria which must be followed by an object so that it can be considered a planet? The first criteria is that it must orbit the Sun. And yes, Pluto orbits the Sun. Pluto has an orbit around the Sun. The second criteria of a planet is that it must be massive enough that it has an almost spherical shape. If it's more massive, then gravity will pull all sides and it will all make the object almost spherical. So more massive than. And the third criteria is that the orbit of the planet or the orbit of the object must be clean. It must clean. So Pluto is spherical, but the object must be massive enough so that it attracts all the dust, so rocky bodies in its orbit and clean its orbit. Okay, so Pluto does not follow this criteria. Pluto's orbit is not clear. You can see the orbit of Pluto. It's not clean. See, you can see so many rocky bodies. These objects are not to scale. So you can see the orbit of Pluto is not clear. And this is the reason why Pluto is not considered a planet anymore. We have some other objects in our solar system like Eris, Haumea. So these objects also do not follow this criteria. All of these criteria are not followed by these objects, and that's why they are considered dwarf planets. All our 8 major planets, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, follow all these 3 criteria, and that's why we consider them as major planets. And so this is the reason why Pluto is no longer considered a planet, but it is considered a dwarf planet. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. I want to tell you about this app called the Solar System Scope, which I will use to explain about astronomy, and you can get it in Play Store, and the link is given in the description. And thank you for watching. Bye.